Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a cardboard DIY which is used as decoration purpose. So let's start. First of all, take two pieces of cardboard. Now cover it with any color chart that you love. This craft is going to be very amazing, so watch this video till end and please like, share and subscribe my video. Now I have covered both cardboard pieces. This process doesn't take much time to make. Now I am going to cut two more pieces of cardboard. It's so simple, easy and beautiful craft which everyone can make. Just one problem was there, that cardboard was very hard to cut, so I was not able to cut it fastly. Now I am going to cover both these pieces with pink color chart. Now after covering it, these all became four pieces we have, and now we will join these pieces together in the shape of house. Please comment down, do you like this easy and simple craft? I have joined the parts of cardboard in the shape of house. Now it's the time to decorate it. On the roof, I have applied small white chart. Inside it, I have applied small pink chart, and then I am giving the lines inside. Now, I kept my clay charms, teddy bear, and two Buddhas inside it to give it a nice look. And now it's ready. If you are loving my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. We'll meet in other video.